Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a monumental victory for the right to repair movement. Legislation has been introduced in all 50 U.S. states. Incredible!
That's amazing. 11 years of fighting for this. Think about it. From a handful of advocates to a nationwide movement. It's a testament to persistence, right?
Absolutely. It started with a single bill in South Dakota back in 2014, and now, thanks to the tireless work of iFixit, Repair.org, PIRG, and countless others, we've reached this incredible milestone. Every state now has a right to repair bill on the table.
And it's not just symbolic. 5 states, New York, California, Minnesota, Oregon, and Colorado, have already passed electronics right to repair legislation. That's 1 in 5 Americans already protected.
Exactly. And that's a huge win, but it highlights the uneven landscape. While some states are leading the charge, others are still catching up. The fight isn't over, We need strong, comprehensive laws across the board.
I see. Interesting. So what's the next step? What are the challenges ahead? Getting these bills passed into law, right?
Precisely. Getting these bills passed into law is the crucial next step. Then, ensuring those laws are strong enough to actually make a difference. We're talking about access to parts, repair manuals, diagnostic tools, the whole shebang. Manufacturers have historically fought this tooth and nail, haven't they?
Yeah, they have. They've claimed that releasing repair information would compromise trade secrets and endanger consumers. But iFixit and others have effectively countered those arguments, haven't they? Showing that repair information isn't inherently confidential, and that DIY repairs aren't inherently dangerous.
Exactly. They've presented data, expert testimony, and even brought in repair professionals to demonstrate the feasibility and safety of independent repairs. It's been a long, data-driven battle. And look where we are now.
It's truly remarkable. And it's not just about individual consumers, is it? This also impacts farmers, businesses, and even the environment. Reducing e-waste is a huge part of this, right?
Absolutely. Right to repair is about sustainability, economic empowerment, and consumer choice. It's about breaking the cycle of planned obsolescence and empowering people to fix their own stuff. It's a win for everyone.
It's inspiring to see such a broad coalition working together. From farmers to students, lawmakers to tech giants like Google, even Apple is showing some support. It's a real sea change.
It is. And while this is a massive milestone, it's not the finish line. The fight continues for stronger laws, better standards, and a future where repair autonomy is the norm, not the exception. We need to keep pushing for a world where we can fix what matters.
I couldn't agree more. This is a huge step forward, but the work continues. Thanks for breaking down this incredible news for us.
My pleasure. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We'll keep you updated on the progress of right to repair legislation across the country. Have a great day. And remember, keep fixing what matters. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.